In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a project for your CRM pipeline. We're going to build a clear, simple system to manage leads from the first touch all the way to a closed deal using a project style pipeline. This approach keeps everything in one place, makes follow-ups effortless, and gives you instant visibility into what needs attention today. Start by creating a new project dedicated to your CRM pipeline. Give it a straightforward name so it's easy to find, and think of this project as your team's single source of truth for all leads and clients. Keeping it separate from other work helps you stay focused on revenue-generating activities. Next, set up your columns or sections to mirror the stages of your sales process. Create new lead for brand new prospects. Contacted for those you've reached out to. Follow up for active conversations that need a nudge. Proposal for deals you've scoped or priced, and closed for outcomes. If you like, add a note in each column description that defines what qualifies a lead to enter or exit that stage. Clear stage definitions prevent guesswork and keep your pipeline accurate. Now add each lead or client as a task. One lead equals one task. Use the task title for the company or contact name and keep naming consistent so you can find things fast. If several people are involved, keep them within the same task to avoid duplicate effort. Inside each task, add the essentials. Enter contact details so you never hunt through emails. Capture deal value to prioritize high impact opportunities and forecast revenue. Write notes after every call or meeting, including key needs, objections, and next steps. Most importantly, add follow-up dates. Give each follow-up a clear purpose and a realistic timeline so momentum never stalls. As conversations progress, move the task through the pipeline. Drag it from new lead to contacted once the first outreach is sent. Shift it to follow up when you're awaiting a reply or scheduling a meeting. Move it to proposal when you've shared pricing or a statement of work. And finally, to closed when there's a decision. Update the stage as soon as something changes to keep your pipeline truthful and useful. To track every client properly, use reminders, comments, and custom fields. Set reminders tied to your follow-up dates so nothing slips. Use comments to log call summaries and attach relevant files, creating a complete timeline for anyone on your team. Add custom fields for deal value, lead source, priority, or close probability so you can sort and focus on what matters most. That's it. With this project-based CRM pipeline, you'll know exactly where every lead stands and what to do next.